Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel today. I'm going to show you how to check your portfolio, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to CoinMarketCap.com. Or if you're on a mobile device, open the CoinMarketCap app. Next, you'll need to log in. Click on the Login button at the top right corner of the website. If you're on the app, just open it up and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, look for the Portfolio tab. On the website, it's usually in the main navigation bar at the top. If you're using the app, it might be at the bottom or in the menu. After clicking on the Portfolio tab, you'll be taken to your portfolio page. Here you can see all the cryptocurrencies you've added, along with their current market values, your holdings, and the overall performance of your portfolio. You can easily manage your portfolio by adding new assets, removing assets, or updating the quantities and purchase prices of your existing assets. This ensures your portfolio stays up to date. The portfolio section also provides insights into the performance of your holdings. You can see metrics like total value, profit or loss, and percentage changes, giving you a clear picture of how your investments are doing, and that's it. Checking and managing your portfolio on CoinMarketCap is that simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.